How to change password in CoinGecko. So hey guys, on today's video I'm teaching how to change password or your password here on CoinGecko. Change your password in CoinGecko. All we need to do is open up your CoinGecko right here. Once you open up your CoinGecko right here, click on the bottom right corner right there on your profile. As you see right there, press on your profile in the bottom right corner. Right there. There you go. As you can see, after pressing on your profile, the bottom right corner, you will locate it right here. So right here, you will see my account. All we need to do is press on my account. There you go. Here at my account, as you can see, you have an option change password. Press on change password. But the question is, you cannot change password. I cannot change my password right now because I haven't logged it in with my created it with email. I continue it using Google, so that's why whatever my Google password is, that's also my password here on Gecko, and I can change it unless I set it up. So here, giving option set it up, it just give me a confirmation email. After that, once I get the email, uh, I agree, then I'll be able to create a password. Once I create a password, I can now change the password by putting in my old password and then my new password, and just confirming again to my new password. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you change your password here on the app, the CoinGecko app right here. But anyways guys, there you go guys, that's how you do it. That's how you change your password. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can also have it down comment below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible here on How to Rock It guys. Guys, see you in the next one guys, and thank you guys.